For an uninterrupted gaming experience over an extended period, we challenged our limits to bring you Realme GT Neo 2 Stainless Steel Vapor Cooling Plus. Introducing the Stainless Steel Vapor Cooling Plus of Realme GT Neo 2. The 8-layer cooling system structure ensures excellent cooling efficiency from inside out. Introducing the industry-first Diamond Thermal Gel on Realme GT Neo 2. Diamond is the hardest material in nature. It is also the highest thermal conductivity at up to 2000 watts per meter Kelvin or more. Diamond is commonly used as the key material in thermal management components of spacecraft. You can expect the cooling performance of Diamond Thermal Gel in GT Neo 2 about 50% more effective than the conventional thermal gels. This is one of the greatest cooling inventions on chipset without compromising on performance. The Stainless Steel Vapor Cooling Plus also comes with Realme's largest stainless steel VC at 4,122 square millimeters. With the largest coverage at 42% of battery surface and 68% of motherboard surface, Realme GT Neo 2 is able to keep its cool while running at full speed. In short, Realme GT Neo 2 brings you a greater gaming experience through hardware optimization and innovative cooling technologies. Join us and experience everything in Neo.